Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Need a quick sweet dish for dessert or entertaining? Try this easy fruit salad with French vanilla pudding and Cool Whip. This easy fruit salad is the quick dessert perfect for a picnic, holiday meals, or for grilling out during the summer. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, pour 2 cups of cold milk into a medium bowl. Add Jello French vanilla instant pudding and beat with a wire whisk or electric mixer until the pudding thickens about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, blend in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 cup of Cool Whip topping. Beat well until well combined. Using a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl, then fold in the fruit cocktail. One thing I like about this recipe is so versatile. If you don't have fruit cocktail, you can substitute it with 1 can of sliced peaches, diced apricot herbs, or can of petite dark cherries. The pudding looks good. Now we're gonna divide it into serving glasses or serving bowls. And also I like to reserve small amount of drained fruit for garnish. Next, we're gonna break shortbread cookies into bite-sized pieces and top onto the pudding. Place another scoop of pudding mixture on top, just like so, guys. If you don't have French vanilla instant pudding, you can substitute with any Jell-O instant pudding. Garnish it with reserved fruit, shortbread cookies, and mint. I hope you will try this recipe. Please let us know how it turned out for you in the comments down below. Share it with your friends and the family. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.